In this video, you are going to learn how to upload your YouTube video on YouTube channel and get more subscribers and views. There are several things that you have to take care while uploading your video. So today I'm going to share main 3 things that you have to take care and which will help to spread your videos all over the world or where you want to spread your video. So let's begin with it. Hello, this is Santosh Bohra. You are watching boharasir channel and let's start the video. I'm going to take and explain each and everything on my laptop screen. So please stay tuned and watch until the last. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to my channel. Your comments and your suggestions are very much valuable for me, like me, the new YouTuber. Let's begin with it. So at first you have to go to your desktop and just open your Chrome browser or wherever you browse your internet or YouTube. And when you will open your YouTube channel, it will looks like this interface in front of you, and log into your YouTube. Like here you can see that on the right side there is a symbol of my YouTube channel or my profile picture of my YouTube channel, right? So you don't need to go here. What you have to do is, for uploading a video, just click on this item, create. Click on the create and upload video. So when you click on the upload video, you will see this type of interface in front of you, and here you have to do the main thing to upload your video. First you have to select your video for uploading on your channel, and then the major three things that you have to take care of are: the first, how to give title to your YouTube video. Next, how to give description on your YouTube video, and the third one is how to give correct tag for your YouTube video. So these 3 things, if you will do correctly, then it will make easy to get more viewers and subscribers. So for that I will help you from where and how you can do these all 3 things. So first I will upload a video. For uploading video, you have to click this select file button from this box, and when you reach to the file menu, go to your place where you have kept your video. So I will select video. I have selected my video and I will click on open. Okay, so now here for the new video you have to give the details. Title is required, description, thumbnail, right? There are several things. So main thing, title. So at first you should know that what you have made video for. What is your main goal, main target of your video? Just like, for example, I am uploading a video. This video I am uploading for you, that is for how to upload your video on YouTube channel, right? So you can just put your you can just put your title on here. That's like how to upload a video to YouTube channel, or you want more attractive and eye-catching title, then just click open another tab, click here YouTube. After that, just type here on the screen search bar, type how to upload video on. Okay, now I haven't given everything on the search bar, but you can see here there are the several suggestions here. How to upload video on YouTube, how to upload video on YouTube from mobile, how to upload video on Facebook page or TikTok, Instagram, YouTube channel. Okay, you can see here the first number means this one on YouTube channel. This is the video. This is the title which comes first. If you will type these words, right? So it will help you. or you can also choose your title with the help of your just this is vidIQ. Click on it. You can also get from the vidIQ keyword inspector, or just you can also check from this TubeMate TubeBuddy, sorry, TubeBuddy. And just you can see here there is a video topic planner or video keyword explorer, SEO studio. Okay, so just I will click keyword explorer. Now what type of keyword you want to explore, like upload video on YouTube. I will just explore for this. Okay, after searching the keyword upload video to YouTube, you can see here there even this keyword is fairly competitive. It is searched so often that is, and you are forgetting targeting. Okay, so you can say search volume is excellent, but the competition is very low. Fair, not fair. Optimization strength is very good, and there are so many other YouTube's video related searches and web searches, and you can also check here. Here are some videos how to upload a video on YouTube. Video upload करना के सही तरीका, how to upload video on YouTube. Let's check this one, how to upload video in YouTube. Okay, just like I have clicked here. So from here you can check there are several YouTube titles given here and YouTube keywords you can use from here. So, and from here you can get several ideas for your topic, right? And after the getting topic, what you have to need to do is you have to give a good description and build your own description, like here, like I will show you. Okay, like this is a video related to my topic, right? And now I will click here. I will open this video. Okay, we don't need to see the video, just we will go down and we will check out the description here. So more, and you can see here there is only a single line description. दोस्तों इस वीडियो में मैंने YouTube पर वीडियो कैसे अपलोड करते हैं इस बारे में बताया है ना. So these types of description you can check 2 or 3 or more than that, and then you can just combine. You can make your own description after knowing that. Now after knowing the description, like I have just set it my description on my mind, and I'm going to give the description and title here. So my title will be this one: easy trick to upload and rank your video on YouTube. And here I will say that, okay, you can see here I have given the title here. Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how to upload and do SEO of that video on YouTube, and also tell how to give the title, description and tags. This video will give the easy trick. This video will show, okay, so the easy trick to upload and rank your video on YouTube. This is my description. So let me do the correction here. And now the description is very important, because the description, tag and your title, if they are the similar and same tags, keyword in these 3 things, then it will help, the YouTube will help to bring your video on the search engine. So let me finish, please, just a second. So after finishing that, you have to put the thumbnail, a beautiful thumbnail. You have to create a beautiful thumbnail, eye-catching ad thumbnail. And for right now I will select one of these, but you have to take care while uploading a thumbnail, it should be a beautiful. Okay, so let me select this, and then playlist. You have to select your playlist where you want to keep this video. So this is related to YouTube, so I will select the YouTube and save. and then obviously this is not for the kids, so no for kids, age restriction is not needed. So here we want to more. So this is the main part. You have to give the tag which will help to bring or rank your video on YouTube. If you will do these things correctly, your video will appear in your first page of the YouTube. So first the title should be the tag, the whole title of your video should be the tag, and select another tags which are related to your video. Think about it and just write it, or you can also check from the other people's videos. Just choose any video which is most popular, and from there you can also copy. Here I am just making some ideas here, but while typing, if you have TubeBuddy or vidIQ, it will suggest you what titles should be here. So the titles and the tag are also the different types, short tag and long tag. So I will tell you about those tags in the next video, but right now I will tell you how to choose your targeting tags and ranking tags from the other people videos. So if you are using vidIQ or the TubeBuddy, you can see on the down of the, after scrolling it, you will see that there are so many tags or the keywords which are obvious ranking on YouTube. So you can select any one of those and just copy it from here, and don't directly paste on your description or tag box, just paste it on your notepad and then only copy it on your tag box. Okay, so I am just putting someone, so please just wait. And if you are multilingual, like you know English very well and you know Hindi very well, and obviously you know the Nepali language, so you can also just put these three types of different tags, and you can give Nepali tags or Hindi or English and other, if you know other language, and if you're creating other languages you can also give it here. So English is the most common language, so I gave some English, and obviously Hindi people can also understand, so I give Hindi and Nepali tag also in my video. You can see here that some of the tags are being shown ranked. The numbers are in front of the tag. It means that those videos, this video is ranking in this page of that. So I can copy from it also, and I can just add that tag which will help me to rank on the YouTube. So like this you can do your own research on the tags, and you can put it on. If you want another video related to the tags, what type of tags are there and how can we do the research for the tags, right? So if you need that video, so please comment on that comment box. I will obviously create another video related to the tags, about the short tag, long tag and primary tag, right? So after creating that video, I will give you the link on this I button also. Okay, after finishing that, I will just give the language. It is in English, so I will select the English language here, and in which language is your video, you have to select that option, because it will help to search your video or show the video in the related person, to the related person and people. And you can obviously give the date when it was recorded, and then choose your category, what category it is. So I think that this is the how and events, so I will select it, and just after that I will do the next button. So now you have to add here end screen and add cards. So I will here add end screen related to my any video, like this video is related to YouTube, and I will also add a video related to YouTube which will help the viewers to get more knowledge about the YouTube, right? So I will select one of the video from this option. So my video is ready, so I have selected it and I will save it. Then I will add card like suggestion, which what I want to give to the viewers. Just add a video here. You want to add video channel or any best for your viewers, you can add anyone. So I will add here a video from here. Okay, I will select this, for suggestion, I button. Then I will click to the save button. After finishing this, you have to click on the next, and right now I'm not publishing it for the public. I'm just publishing it for the private, and then publish or next. Say now your video is ready and it is uploaded to YouTube channel, but right now I have uploaded my video as a private, so no one can see it, because there are a lot of works that I have to do on this video. So that is why I created as it public. So please, you have to also do same thing, and just after creating and uploading it, correct, do the correction where you have missed something. After finishing, then it you can also publish it for the public. So like this, you can see here private videos, and private videos are only for you. No one can watch and listen from anywhere. So do these options. So everyone, follow these steps, do it correctly, do a well and good research before creating a video, and then only create the video with the full information and complete information, and then only your viewers will attract toward your video, because you are giving them a good idea, and in a good proper way and easy way. Then you can get higher viewers on YouTube channel. So thank you for watching Boharasir channel. If you are new and watching till now, so please don't forget to subscribe this channel, share and comment this channel. If you are on Facebook also, so please visit my Facebook page Boharasir, and please don't forget to like my video at the end. Thank you, and we will meet you in next video.